Hey guys, we're playing Among Us again, but I'm gonna play a new map. Not a new map. A map. Not Skeld, but Polos. Let's see. Wait. Oh, Wi-Fi. Wait. Hey guys, I'm back. I finally joined a server. Anything that you want to call it. A lobby? A server? A game. Yeah, it's starting. Let's see what we got. Imposter or crewmate? It's the imposter. Crewmate. Let's see how I do as a crewmate in the Polos. Dot navigations, smooth and easy. I wish I don't die yet. I'm a pro at this game, but not as a pro. Blossos. Did you see that, guys? Blue was just here a moment ago. Now he's there. I'm sussing him. He's pretty sus. Peck. Or am I just misleading? Let us do my task. Okay. Hey, why cannot do? Don't die, JL, don't die. Don't die. Actually, I'm Filipino at my first Among Us video. I'm Filipino, but I can know English. Oh, Cyan died. Let's see what they know. Sorry guys if my chat is Filipino. Cause kayo naman. First, di pa ako siya famous. Alam nyo, Filipino lang kayo. Yung mga nanonood, klasiko. Pero, ano din to? They say, purple, white, safe. Puro Filipino lang kayo, alam ko. English practice lang to. I'm voting red. He's sus. Oh. I think it's purple that painted. Let's see if he wins as a crewmate. Among Us is a pretty good game. Kinda addictive. Yes, no one follows me. Yes, no one follows me. I'm blue. Toss the ground. Please no one die. Oh, report. I'm just gonna finish this task. Finish! Laboratory. I'm going to the laboratory. Who gets it? Neither do you. I'm not dead yet. I'm so happy. Oh, dead spot. The dead spot. Gotta go faster. Easy. Task finish. Let's be detective. Play detective. detective. Red's kinda sus. Red! Red! It's red! It's red! I knew it! Red! How's that possible? Oh, Black is alive. I think this is a glitch. LOL. Mga Pilipino tol, let's gastor. Mga tol, pwede pa subscribe. Subscribe niyo ako, like, share, para maging famous to. Don't worry, yung mga first commenters ko ay matatandaan ko. Except sa mga bashers. Commenters, good. Good commenters, good. But bashers, nah. I will not remember them. Yes, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Shoot na shoot tayo dyan. Wala na talaga. AFK. Defeat. This is gonna be a defeat. I wish I'm the one that is alive. Defeat. Defeat. Hey, why black screen? Guys, wait a minute. Guys, actually it's victory. I think the imposter left and black left. Not know. Let me try to be imposter. No. Let me try to be crewmate again. Let's see. I'll be back when I get a... Hey guys. Approximately I am crewmate again. Wi-Fi is kinda low. Let's do this task and find the imposter. What the phone? It's either orange, white, yellow, cyan. No, yellow's gone. It's either white, cyan, or orange. Disconnected. Sorry guys, mahina Wi-Fi. Guys, I finally get another server. Let's see if I can get faster. Follows. Imposter, yes. Let's do this dance. Let's see what is our fate as can be. Wow, brown. Remember, imposter friends dangerous. Because, oh, why is that follower? A follower. Follow. How can I do this? Let's see. Shut them out. So can make someone of them sus. Vitals, okay. Look guys, hidden is a Samsung. It is Samsung. No. Sure can. Hey guys, I'm Imposter in Paulus. I'm finally back again. Sorry for the disturbance. Wi-Fi is low. Let's try to win. Fake dust, fake dust, fake dust. Fake dust, fake dust, fake dust. Let's kick everyone. What? Yamachi. Yamachi. Yamachi is gonna get kicked. Questions, weapons, case, cyan, admitting, things, weapon, Tasmed Bay. How can I win this? Easy. Strategy stick, baby. Just gonna skip. They using yellow, so I must not kill yellow. So they have more susing. Let's do this baby dance. I'm going with cyan and green. White is safe. Let's kill him. White is safe. White is safe. White is safe. White is safe. I don't want to be with pink. They know I am with pink. Amat hiwalay. Di kita. Wait, shoot, I'm slow and my partner's fast. Just like I expected. He's dumb. Di nag-iisip. Hi guys, back. Don't matter the outside noise. It's just my brothers watching TV. Okay, try press the body. Body. So I'm gonna skip for safe. The reasons. Say goodbye, Papa. Was an imposter. You're super sus. You killed Yellow the sus. Now sus yo, sorry liberal. Sus. Agawin mo sa akin. Ako'y magbabalik. I'm gonna do vent kill. Emergency meeting. I think I'm not gonna get a kill. I'm the last imposter. Bubble. Let's go. Out of the radar. There's only 4. No. I must kill 1. No. Cannot kill. Mali. Ang gusto mo kung magluloko. Let's go off the radar. They did it. I'm just gonna go out. I'm gonna bend there, kill the CCTV guy. Easy. Gawin mo sa'kin, pero mamali sino man. There's freaking 2 more. They don't do us. They don't like us. They thought I'm safe. Yes, baby teens. You shoot the phone. Mali. Freaking 5 pala. I think I'm gonna go no kill around this time. Oh, they sus me. Let's kill someone. They just gonna push. We're just waiting. Shoot, guys. I think I need to be on Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to be an imposter again, because this is a failure. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Guys, I decided to clip another crewmate. It's been hard to get imposter lately. I've been trying to play. I've been playing, but imposter is kinda low. Because last time, maybe kanina, umaga, naglaro ako Among Us, puro imposter ako. Almost every time, I become imposter. Well, I am now malas. I am very, 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 very unlucky. don't want to go to the lights. I don't want to join the trouble. Let's see if we win as a crewmate, then see. Maybe you guys are my lucky charm. Oh. Lucky charm it. He died. I'm not that noob. Shoot the world. I'll be back and try to become imposter. This is just some clips. How I've been playing to become imposter. It's been so freaking long. Guys, please praise to become imposter. See ya. Gonna wait. Guys, I become imposter and I'm gonna do it right. Gonna do it right. So much to learn and see. Sophia. The first. I wish I'd kill. Let me just sabotage that. Guys, daratat. Such a wrong. I think I am in the nervous imposter. Na-try ko naman dati. So, I'm a kill. Yung kill ko ay kill. Alam mo nangyari? You guys know what happened? I voted at the first round. So, I'm gonna never. Gonna patch myself with it. I've waited so much time to become imposter. Guys, I'm mad. I'm freaking mad. Mad. I've waited for so long to become imposter, and I gonna get voted out with no proof I killed. I'm so unlucky. Hey, you censored. Yeah, perfect. Hey, fair. Try to pick up imposter. Guys, be my lucky charm. Guys, I'm back. Guys, I think I'm malas. I think it's been a long video. Long enough. I've been crewmate, lost. I've been imposter, lost. This will be my malas video. A lucky video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share this video, so you guys will know and your friends will know how I'm lucky I am in Among Us. But sometimes I'm lucky in Among Us. I get imposters 2 in a row. 3, ganon. My brother is more lucky. He said he gets 5 imposters in a row. I think that's impossible. So guys, thank you. Bye. I forgot. Like and subscribe. Remember that. Comment if you want to play. If you want me to play any game. Basta I can do it. See ya. Guys, sorry I'm cheap, but I think it is kinda mahal. Yung MB, dami. 600, 900, dami. So, nagtipid ako. Kaya nakikita nyo lang big. See ya!